To make a video about this because I ran across this at work. If you ever have a fork spring that is stuck in the fork tube, I know why now. Someone has buried a longer screw into one of the fork guard bolts, and I would recommend replacing the leg. I would, but I mean, if you're, just changing out your fork springs, and this will be the last time you do it, this, this might work for you. So all you're going to do is heat this whole knuckle up with a propane torch of some kind, maybe acetylene and oxygen if you have one available. I've already done this, and you can screw the end off. When it comes off, and you can push this guy out. It'll take some finesse. I'm not going to worry about it, but this is what has happened. It has been dented in, and it is holding the fork spring in. And you can mash it out, mash your new one in, and not worry about it ever again. This was because the guy used his fork, or not his fork guard, his disc guard bolts in his fork guard bolt holes and mash this down. So just FYI, and then when you go back together, Loctite, blue probably, and you just screw this bastard back on. You are going to need like a special clamp. Motion Pro makes one, Racetech has one. Either one of those guys would be fantastic for this. But yeah, that's what you're going to be dealing with. So yeah, I'm sorry if you've run into it or if it's happened to you. If you're the one responsible for denting your fork tube, you fucking deserve it, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, sorry guys. Thought I'd just make a video about that real quick and let you know what you're going to be in for.